Alright everybody, welcome back to our Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Featuring here today is a 1994 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. Very nice style retro truck here we have at Skyway Classics. I just want to start off by saying that the paint job on this is definitely one of a kind, especially when you're trying to paint match two tones in one truck. That's definitely something different there. But going into the one we have here featuring the two-tone sort of turquoise teal and a silver combination. As you do see, it does have the step side bed, not the straight bed, which is actually kind of cool in its own way. People used to climb in the bed of those all the time. Featuring gray torque thrust wheels on it. As you can see, the cowl induction hood is what's really nice about it is the fact that it has the rounder front, not the square front, which actually is a nicer hood that they purchased through. So, but other than that, it does have the short bed with a cover on top, and of course we do have the key for that on our column here. But anyway, moving on to the interior now, having that matching gray slash silver combination with the turquoise. As you can see, you got the nice bucket slash bench seat here. All you gotta do is put that console up and you got yourself a three-seater. The door panels have been upgraded just a little bit with the decals. Still having the power locks and power windows. You can see we got our still stock column here with tilt on the column there. Stock cluster, as you can see, everything is working the way it should. Other than that, you got a little bit of decal addition on there, an aftermarket stereo system. You even have this cool little design up here that lights up when you put the dome lights on. But other than that, it is a pretty cool truck. Definitely a fun one to drive. Moving underneath the hood, as you can see, it still has believed to be the 5.7. As you can see, they upgraded just a little bit. I think they put a little fuel injection into it. That probably explains why it has a little more power than your stock 5.7. And of course, as you drive it, you actually have a better sound coming from the back. So I don't really know what kind of exhaust has been put on here, but it's actually a very nice one. Other than that, now since we have turned onto a quiet road, we can give you a little bit of a brake test just to show you how good the truck really is and it hasn't been abused. Even at takeoff, shifting all good. Other than that, I think that's pretty much wraps it up. So now we can just stay tuned and we'll get her up on the hoist.